video, I'll show you on how to change call barrier password. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to click on your dialer right here. Then after you open up your dialer, next thing you need to do is click on setting icon. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to carrier features. Then from the point here, select the SIM card you want to set. And this is going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to call barring. That's going to take you right here. Now, come down below right here and click on change password. And this is going to come up. Enter the old password. So by default, enter 000 and then hit on OK. Hit on OK. Then enter your new password. And then hit on OK. So simply click on OK right here. Then confirm change password. Click on here and confirm the new password. Then click on OK. And with that, your call barring password is going to change for that particular SIM. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.